Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to try the jumbo braid. It's quite so long, I'm here to answer your call. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've had a little bit of more time on my hands. It's in the UK it's lockdown 2.0, not really like the most interesting thing, but yeah, I've had more time on my hands and I decided to try the jumbo braids. It's been a while since I've done any protective styling. I think it was since 2012. 2012 was probably the last time I did any protective styling, but I've been seeing this around, especially on Instagram, and it looks so good, and I love like big chunky ones, so I thought it was going to take me so much time. Ended up taking me the whole day. That's the story for another day. But anyway, I thought I would just come on here and give you a brief description of how it went for me. I ended up using this jumbo braids. I couldn't decide what to use at first, but then I saw a couple of videos and this was perfect. I got it from one of the African stores around where I live. So I divided my hair into two sections. I have 9 here. I bought 20, was it 20? I bought 11 and I ended up using 9 of them, so I just divided one into 2 and it seemed fine. I was trying to find perfect balance between it being too chunky or too thin, but this was perfect, just dividing it into 2. So when I started off, I ended up using my Gozi hair oil for my scalp, because obviously I'm going to leave it in for about 2 weeks. And then for my long stretch of hair, I use the shea butter moisturizing cream just to keep it moisturized in the braids. So I couldn't decide first of all whether to blow dry my hair first, or just because I just washed my hair, or to just like go into it like that. But at the end of the day, I realized that it was easier for me to manipulate my hair and without blow drying it, because obviously I'm trying to avoid breakage. Another thing I would mention is that if you look closely, you could probably still see my hair sticking out. I think my hair got to about this length, which is fine, but the jumbo braid gave it more body, which I liked. So I'm not really fussed about the fact that my hair is sticking out of the braids. It doesn't really bother me, but I really like how it turned out. It's a different look for me, and it's probably something I might start switching into my whole hair routine, because I love my natural hair, but I also like to like play around, but not something too complicated. This is fine. After probably 2 weeks I'll take it off. But let me know what you guys think, and leave your comments down in the comment section, and hopefully if I do it again I'll reshoot another video. Also, I forgot to mention that I ended up trying to do the rubber band method. I used these black bands. So they're different sizes. I got them from ASOS. I think they were like £4. So I tried to put in the rubber bands. So that's what helped me to divide my hair into sections, which is fine. But I realized while I was trying to braid the hair that it wasn't as easy gripping the hair with the rubber band. It was dangling lower than I would have preferred. So I just snipped all the rubber bands as I went through the sections and ended up trying to braid directly from my scalp. But it ended up being more painful, but worth it, because the closer to my scalp it is, the longer I can leave the braids in, which is going to be for about 2 weeks. But anyway, I'll definitely say that using the rubber band method helped me to section my hair. I tried to be as precise as I could. So 18 seemed fine. You could do your smaller or bigger, but I really like the size I did. And if you guys do try this style, let me know what you think. I also bought these beads from Amazon. I was trying to go, I don't know, I think I just wanted to add something extra, and I've been seeing beads all around. The beads are wooden. I looked around, I didn't really find, this was like the only one I liked. They're really massive beads with like different colors. I'll see if I can put like the link or pictures. They've been pulling out, by the way, but it does give it something extra to the braid. But yeah, so these were from Amazon, so I think I forgot to say that. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it, and until next time, take care of yourself. Bye.